Today, we are going to make a colorful abstract painting with letters and waves. You will need a piece of white paper, a pencil, an eraser, a black permanent marker, watercolor paint, paintbrushes, and some coloring materials like crayons or markers. First, draw 3 or 4 wavy lines across the white paper with a pencil. The wavy lines do not have to be the same, but they should not touch each other. Then think about the letters that you want to write. It can be your name, characteristics, quotes, resolutions, or any other words or sentences that you like. Write out capital letters starting with the top in the way that fills up the space between the waves. This will make many shapes. Continue writing until you reach the end of the paper. Once you are happy with it, trace over all the lines with a black permanent marker. You can make it thick or you can sharpen the edge. Then erase all the pencil lines. Next, paint all the empty shapes with watercolors. Try to make it colorful using bright colors to show the black letters as well. When it's dry, add some interesting patterns on top of the colored shapes. You can use any materials like colored pencils, pens, crayons, or markers. The patterns can be dots, dashes, stripes, swirls, zigzags, clouds, stars, and any other ones that you can think of. Lastly, trace over the black lines again to make it clear. Great! I love this colorful abstract art. Repetition of the waves create a sense of rhythm and movement, so it looks like letters are surfing on the beautifully patterned waves. Do you want to try it with me? It will be fun. I hope you enjoy it. See you in the next video. Bye!